Gmail's POP service lets you download messages to your computer so you can access them when you're offline. Over the next few minutes, you'll learn how to retrieve your Gmail messages using Outlook 2003. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your Gmail account. From here, click Settings and choose the Forwarding and POP tab. Next, select Enable POP for all mail and choose what to do with messages once they're downloaded. Lastly, click Save Changes to enable POP in your Gmail account. Now let's configure Outlook 2003. Open Outlook 2003, click Tools, and select Email Accounts. Choose Add a new email account, and click Next. For the server, select POP3 and click Next. Under User Information, enter your name and full Gmail address, including @gmail.com. For log-on information, enter your full username and your Gmail password. Make sure to fill out the server information as shown and click More Settings. Select the Outgoing Server tab and check the box next to My Outgoing Server requires authentication. Choose Use Same Settings as my incoming mail server and then click the Advanced tab. For Outlook to work properly, please fill out this tab exactly as shown and click OK. Click Next to continue. Select Finish to move to the final step. To verify that Outlook is up to date, click Help in your Outlook window and select Check for Updates to open the Microsoft Office support site. From here, click Check for Updates. Once you have verified that all updates are installed, restart your computer. Returning to Outlook 2003, click Send and Receive to retrieve your Gmail messages. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about POP access for your Gmail account. For more information on configuring POP clients, please visit our Help Center at mail.google.com/support.